Today we are launching Namaste React Live course. The mission of this course is to take you from zero to hero in 8 weeks. In this 2 months of journey together, we will be learning everything inside the live classes, and then we will apply all that knowledge into our projects. So it will all be project based learning. We will learn how to build large scale production ready web applications using React, and we will start everything right from scratch, right from zero, and slowly we will cover all the advanced topics as well which are required inside React to build these applications. We will cover React hooks, we will be covering the latest version of React, that is React 18. We will be also using Redux to manage state. We will be learning how to write test cases. Basically, let me tell you, we will be learning everything that is required to build these large scale production ready web applications using React. Okay, and basically let me tell you very honestly, I will be giving you all the knowledge what I have learned in my experience in working into the industry for so many years. It's been 6 years I have been working in the industry and writing code in React. I want to give you everything out there in this live course, and I won't be teaching you with any boring slides. Everything will be taught using the code. So we will be diving into the code right from day one. We will be starting with React. We will be starting with coding, right? No boring slides. Everything will be fun and entertaining. So the first class of this course starts from 24th December 2022. There will be 2 classes every week, and the classes will start from 11 a.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. In each class, we will have a 2-hour session of core pure learning where we will be learning new concepts, and followed by 1 hour of assignment discussion section. Yes, there will be assignments. After each session, you will get an assignment. You will have to do it, right? And then we will discuss the same assignment after our next class. This course is relevant for students as well as for working professionals. So all the classes will happen only on weekends. On Saturday, Sunday, from 11 a.m., 3 hours class every single weekend. From 24th of December, block your calendars. We will also be recording each of these sessions, and all the recordings of these sessions will be given to you along with all the course content for 1 year access. And not just that, we will also have a Namaste React course certificate which will be awarded to each of the participant who is attending our course after the completion of the course. Are you feeling excited? But wait. I have a super good news for you. We will not just learn React, but we will also have 3 bonus sessions. 3 bonus sessions that will help you not just in your interviews, but will also help you in your career. These 3 bonus sessions will be on LinkedIn tips and tricks, because LinkedIn is very relevant in today's term. The second session will be on personal branding. Yes, if you have a good personal brand, then it definitely makes a difference. And the third bonus session will be on resume building that will help you stand out from the crowd, from the other resumes. I will help you with that in that bonus session. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and join the first batch of the Namaste React Live course that will be starting from 24th of December. Join right now, because we also have an early bird offer which is running right now, which will give you a lot of discounts. We will drop the registration link in the description below. Or what you can do is just Google search Namaste React and you should see us on the top. The early bird offer is only available for a limited amount of time and for limited seats. So hurry up and go join the course right now. If you want to read about more details about the course, we go to our website, the link in the description. Just go check out the website. You'll get all the information over there as well. See you in the first class on 24th. Go register right now. And thank you so much for all your love and support you have always given me. I need your blessings for this course as well, for this new project. And thank you so much for always believing in me. Thanks for watching this video.